everyone, it is Erin Flutter here, and I am here setting up for January. So I am setting up in my Blackout B5 notebook, and basically what I'm doing right now is I am creating just a really simple cover page. I really wanted a simple theme for this particular month. Life is just crazy. I'm tired. I'm still recovering. I've been sick. So I just, while I was doing this setup, I really needed to reel things in. So I didn't go with a very complicated theme or a very artistic theme. I just wanted to do something very basic. So I am using some Archer and Olive Acrylographs. This is, I actually love this color palette. It's two different blues. It's, let's look. It's Prussian blue, steel blue, Parchment, and Viridian. So these four pens are from Archer and Olive's Halloween release. The Spellbound and Witchcraft. I don't know, something like that. It's called something like that. And I will leave a link in the description so that you can shop using my code for Archer and Olive. I love these colors together. These are my vibe. I adore them. I am loving the blues lately. As you can tell with my nails, I have been doing a ton of blue themes lately. So I really have been mixing in those colors a lot and pairing it with greens a lot because honestly, those colors are just mwah, chef's kiss. Love them so much. So this is my cover page, just a simple monthly calendar with the word January, and that is one of these script stickers from my shop. And I'm doing something a little bit different this month. So because I'm not doing a monthly calendar that I can write in, I decided to do an important date section. I've done these a couple times, but it's not an everyday thing that I do in my notebook. So this is just a monthly calendar listed here on the side, very original to the bullet journal system. And then I'm just going to separate it out into work important dates and personal important dates. So I'll split this page in half so that I can differentiate the types of events and things like that I have listed here. So moving on, the next page I decided to incorporate a workout log. So my wellness journal that I have a previous setup on, I will link that in the description and in the cards, is a notebook that I basically do once a week, where I kind of go back in and I log all my exercises, I log what I've eaten, things like that. Sometimes I'm better about doing it than once a week, but sometimes I'm not. So because I'm in my bullet journal every day, I did want to keep like at least a log of what types of activities I was doing if I wasn't wearing my watch, because and actually sometimes even when I'm wearing my watch, I am not 100% sure if I'm like going back and looking throughout the week what kind of workout I did, if it was an ab workout, back, cardio, whatever. So I thought that by incorporating this into my bullet journal, since I'm in that every day, it might be a little bit better for me to remember the types of workouts that I was doing. So you can see I have a section for abs, back, cardio, chest, and legs. Those are my main muscle groups. Usually I'll pair like biceps with my back or something like that. You know, the like go with the like. And so then I will do like a hash on the types of workouts that I did that day. The other thing you can probably tell is I've already cut some Dutch doors on this setup, and that's because I want my monthly cover pages to be a full B5 page, and then every other page within the month not be that full page. That way, when I'm going and I'm flipping through my months, all of my monthly pages are kind of already tabbed out, and I just didn't want to do the effort of making actual tabs. So I thought that this way would be a little bit easier for me. And I am bringing back my master task list. This is something that I haven't done in quite a while, but I know for me at the beginning of the year, it's really helpful just to start listing out, and especially the beginning of a notebook, just to start listing out tasks that I need to get done and that need to be at the forefront of my brain. And I haven't been doing that lately. So I need to like kind of go through my emails for work and things like that just to make sure that I'm not missing anything big. I don't think I am, but at the same time, like a lot of people have been out lately, so some things may have, you know, got swept under the rug that need to kind of bring back to the surface. So anyways, that is my setup. I hope you enjoy it, and please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, all that kind of jazz, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.